If you love wildlife but hate missing out on amazing facts, then stick around. First up, the snow leopard, known as the ghost of the mountains. This majestic cat is disappearing fast due to poaching and habitat loss. Look at those piercing eyes. They need our help before they vanish into thin air. Next, the Iberian lynx. It's the world's most endangered cat. Once on the brink of extinction, it's still fighting for survival. Fewer than 400 left. Can you spot those distinct spots? Let's not make them history. Finally, the Hawaiian monk seal, a rare marine predator found only in Hawaii. Their population is declining rapidly. Look at that serene face. We must act now to save them from disappearing forever. More endangered predator facts coming soon. Subscribe for more. Let's protect these incredible creatures together.